How to fix VRChat. Avatars not loading. In this video, I will show exactly how you can do it, so let's get started. First, check if safe mode is enabled. If safe mode is on, you'll see a grey cancel mark on the grey robot's chest. To disable it, open your quick menu, click on Change Shield Level and select Normal. Once updated, you should be able to see and hear everyone again. Next, check if the avatar is blocked. If the avatar is blocked, you'll also see a grey cancel mark on the grey robot's chest. To unblock, open your quick menu, select the user with the avatar you're trying to see and click the eye icon under Avatar Display to unhide it. Then, check if avatars are performance blocked. If VRChat is blocking high-performance avatars, you'll see a red icon with an exclamation mark on the grey robot's chest. To fix this, open the main menu, go to the Safety page and adjust your safety settings to allow avatars based on their trust rank. You may also be blocking all avatars with a high download size or low performance rank, so adjust these settings under the Avatars menu settings. Page.check content gating restrictions. If avatars are being filtered due to content restrictions, you'll see a grey padlock icon on the grey robot's chest. To fix this, change your content filtering settings to allow these avatars if possible. And that's it. That's how you can fix VRChat avatars not loading.